The theme of this summit, Empowered Women, Safer Communities, says it all. When women are empowered, societies thrive. When women stand in positions of security, every citizen feels safer. This is not just about fairness, it is about trust, it is about resilience. Communities trust institutions more when they see themselves reflected in their protectors. Victims of crime, especially women and children, are more likely to come forward. And decisions are made not only with force, but with empathy, with dialogue, with prevention. Inclusivity in policing is not symbolic, it is strategic. It makes institutions stronger, smarter, and more effective.